Hello everyone, welcome back to Taste of Teranga. Today I'm going to show you how to make the delicious mini quiche bites. They're easy, fluffy and perfect for breakfast, brunch or parties. For the ingredients we will need flour, turkey breast, cheese, eggs and parsley. Start by cracking the eggs into a bowl. Then add the milk or cream just like this. Whisk until it's smooth. Now it's time to add the flour, and guys, you can add your favorite fillings like vegetable, meat, black pepper, salt, anything you like. You don't have any specific ingredients you can add. Okay, now I'm going to add the turkey breast and mix again until everything gets fully combined. Add the cheese. I love cheese, so I like a lot of cheese in my quiche. And add the parsley, and it's a mix of parsley and cilantro. Add the olive, the green olive. Like I said, it's mandatory, but just follow your fillings. Okay, now I'm going to season with seasoning salt. I choose seasoning salt because it gets a lot of ingredients. Black pepper, add the regular salt, so just a little bit, okay, not too much. And mix again. You have to mix so we can have a really smooth batter. Okay, and now it's time to add the onions. Then I already greased my muffin tray, so carefully pour in each cavity. Don't overfill it, because you have to let the space so it can raise. Okay, now I'm going to top it with some cheese. If you want, you can top it with cheese like I'm doing, or just leave it like that. Okay, and bake it in a preheat oven to 350 degree, for 15 to 20 minutes. See you guys. Look at how beautiful these mini quiche bites turned out, golden, fluffy and flavorful. These are perfect for brunch, meal prep, kids lunch boxes and catering events. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Bye.